Say bear.
Mm-hmm.
Say bear.
Baby.
Say sissy.
Sissy.
Say dada.
Dada.
Say popo.
Bubble.
Say momo.
Mama.
Say mama.
Mama.
Say please.
Babies.
Say please.
Bee.
Say thank you.
Dada.
Say, what else can you say?
Mm-hmm.
You know?
No.
Say bear.
No.
No. Stop sticking your tongue out. Say pretty.
Bee.
Are you pretty?
This.
This. You're pretty. Show me where your eyes are. Where's your eyes? Where's your eyes?
That.
Where's your eyes?
Ma.
Your eyes.
Boss.
Nose.
That.
Eyes. Where's your mouth?
Ma.
Yep. Where's your ears? Where's your fingers?
Ma.
Yep. Where's your hair?
That is.
Good job. Where's your belly button? That's my belly button. That's mine. Where's your teeth? Where's your teeth? No, that's mine.